This is haoyu, and yeah, it's good that you got an environment turned in. I think there's a lot of issues around proportions because you have flowers that are bigger than a person, you have grass that looks giant, you have bricks that are extremely stretched and elongated. So you need to get those things scaled correctly to the size of a person. Um, and all these are about the same as each other. There's except for that one from above. So I open your file and you can see that these don't seem to link um, to their textures because of how you've organized your. I can see you're still copying and pasting. So you've just thrown your images on your desktop, and when you're working in Maya, you need to be working in a project folder. So back in module 1, let's go take a look at this for you. On page 6, I believe it is, it says setting up and using projects. So module on page 6, there's a video here you can watch that steps you through this. You need to work inside of a project folder. Your texture images needed to be in the source images directory, and your scene files needs to be in the scenes directory. Right now, you've got is this so you've got some stuff on your desktop, and you have some things in your downloads folder. So on your desktop, you have images just sitting out on the desktop, and then you have just a thing called environment and a my workspace file in it. And then in your downloads folder, you have your module 10 folder and just a file sitting out. So nothing is in the scenes directory, nothing is in the source images directory. You are not working within a project. So please go back to module 1, page 6, watch this video, read the text, and the next time you turn in a file, please make sure that you are using a project folder. Please make sure you're putting your scenes in the scenes directory and your source images in the source images directory. And really, this environment is, two planes and some hastily done paint effects that are the wrong size. So I couldn't really say that you've modeled an environment here if all you've done is added, a few planes and paint effects. So I would continue to work on this, actually do some modeling and add some prompts, and then make sure you're working within a project folder hierarchy, please.